Hello, welcome to Special Data Hub. In this video, you will learn how to undo a digitizing step before and after committing your digitizing action, right? So in this lesson, I'll be working with a random buildings layer. I'm trying to digitize this location somewhere in Texas, and there is an error. Let's try out something. So let's say there are so many ways to fix this. I click, I click, I click, and I want to exit this digitizing entirely. I can use my escape, the top left of your keyboard, or if I just want to go back on one step alone without deleting the whole thing, I can use backspace, and it takes me back. Another backspace takes me back until the whole thing is exited. Right now, what if we have already committed our change? So we click, and right click. At this point, you can also cancel, but if you already said okay and you have not saved, then you can undo this change and redo it if you want to. What if you have already saved? You can use your vertex tool on your digitizing toolbar to shift the nodes. For example, at this point here, we realize that we didn't digitize this place properly. We can move these nodes, click on the nodes and shift it here. You can click on these nodes and shift it here. You can decide to hover over the line and you see a plus icon and you add a node to move it here. What if you want to entirely delete the whole thing? You can click on your select tool, click on the feature of choice and say delete. That'll be it for this lesson. If you want to learn more on how to edit features like this, click on the link, click on the video on your screen and you'll be directed.